All right, so I got this smart LED exhaust fan from Home Depot. It's an exhaust fan and it also has different lights and Bluetooth built into it. I have one in my bathroom as well, but I'm going to be putting one in this bathroom today. I had one of these initially in there. It was a nice light, but my daughter likes to listen to music when she's in the bathroom, so she usually has a Amazon Alexa sitting in there, strung wires across the sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install this so that way she can still listen to music, she can connect her phone to it, and brush her teeth while she listens to Kendrick Lamar. So yeah, let's get this thing installed. I almost have the other one out. It's only a few screws, but that one has been replaced before with this one from the original one from when I initially had the home, purchased the home. I changed all this stuff out. But I yanked that one out because it doesn't have a speaker in it. So I'm going to put this one in there that has a speaker. So yeah, let's get this thing installed. Alright, so it comes with your fan and the attachment that mounts to your fan once it's in the ceiling. They also give you a switch if you want to use that, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use the switch that's already in place. So I'm not going to be using this switch. So all these tabs are numbered 2, 2. You just got to connect them. 1, 1, and then you're going to see 2, 2. That's it. You just put your screws in there. That's it. Now you download the Hubspace app. Fan installed. It's got a nice bright light. You can change the colors. You can change the brightness. You can bring it down, bring it up. If you want to change the mood in the room, you can change the colors. Blue, red, whatever you want to do. You know, if you're taking a bath or something, you want to change the light. You can also come in here and Go to settings. You get a humidity sensor, motion detection, so you can leave the light on. So when you leave the room, it will automatically shut itself off, so that you don't have to worry about leaving the light on or forgetting to turn it off. It has a motion sensor. You can go all the way from 0 all the way up to 30 minutes. I'm just going to leave it on 30 minutes. Exhaust fan, you can change the speed as well. You know, label the room, whatever room it's in. You got to connect this to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So make sure you come into your Bluetooth settings. It's going to be hub space. You just connect it to your phone. You know, then you can come in here and play whatever you want to play. Music. That's it. So yeah, I recommend this. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in this thing. I have one in my other bathrooms as well. But like I said, my daughter comes in here, listens to music when she's in here. So instead of having a device laying on the sink or gadget, she can just connect to that and do her thing. All right. So again, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm on to the next one.